Tate's turn. Here. Go stand over there by it real quick just so they get an idea of scale.
If it's taller than me, it's really tall.
Alright. What's your mom? Come on.
I did it.
Try to use your legs more, Tate. Don't pull yourself up with your... Yep. Well, that's kind of the whole purpose of doing this. You got a red one right by your right foot. Go to your right foot with red, right above it. Baby, use your right foot. There you go. Now, there you go. All right, same thing again. You got your right foot on red. Just pick your foot up and go right there to it. There you go. Now step up again. There you go. That's it. This is where she got stuck. Put your left foot on yellow. Put it on the yellow, not the... Oh. All right. You're not stuck. Hold on. Just look at what you got going on. Put your right foot on blue. Your right foot. Not your left foot. Your right foot. Put your right foot on that little blue one for a second. I didn't mean that one. I meant the other blue one, but that's all right too. Now left foot on red. There you go. All right. Now if you get your left foot on red or right head on blue. Go up to the next blue one. You got it. Just hang on. You can. Use your right foot to go up in blue. Right there, straight up ahead of you. Just pick it. There you go. Not what I said to do, but even better. You get up there, I want you to smack that barrel hard like your sister did. Right foot yellow. You got a good one right there. Right foot on yellow. There you go. That's going to take you straight up there. Gonna have to use a little hand strength, I think. There we go. All right. Good job, Tate.
Yeah, I did it. It really hurt, but I did it.
You did it. You did it.
We did it.
I'm videoing you. I want to see you go up there. Keep going forward. Don't lose your momentum. Keep going. You okay? What you doing? Nope, 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 nope. Wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Up is the way up. You got a lot of that dark green right beside you. You put your right foot on the green. All right, now left foot on the pink. Next pink up. There you go. Right foot, left foot. You got a good lot of climbing space right there. There you go. There you go. That's it right there. Keep going. Nope, right foot on the other green. You were there. Ah, you were there. Go back to where you were. Emma, what are you doing? No, come on. You're more than halfway there. Go. I want to see how fast you can go the rest of the way. There you go. That boy's gonna beat you. Start moving to your left a little bit. There's more bricks that way. So there you go. Now there you go. That's it right there. Remember, it doesn't count if you don't slap the barrel. Come on, Emma, you're almost there. You are, you're close. Right foot black. Or actually pink's right there. There you go. There you go. Oh, you're there. Way to go, Emma! Look at that. Hit it. That's the. I can't hear it. I didn't hear it. I know. I got it. That's fine. I was kidding. Good job, kid. Pass it off.